Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And OpenAI has just launched Prism. It's a new product they have released which is free latex native workspace that integrates GPT 5.2 directly into scientific writing and collaborations. Now you can write research papers with ease in latex using AI thanks to OpenAI Prism. The tool is free to use. A free unified latex workspace with unlimited collaborators, AI assisted proofreading, citations, and literature search. This is very crucial. AI driven automation for formatting and editing. The standard for scientific writing built on latex. Prism brings writing collaboration AI assisted editing into single workflow. Work with unlimited collaborators. This is very interesting. AI that understands the paper, save time in built-in proofreading and formatting, a complete workspace for scientific writing, as you can see. Unlimited collaborators, comments, unlimited projects, AI assist, fixed with AI image to code, voice to code, sync with Zotaro, unlimited compile speed, etc. Try Prism today. So this is free to use. Let's try it out. So for this, you need to log in into your OpenAI account. I've already created a project. Let me click enter. And a sample research paper has opened up, as you can see on the left hand side, and on the right hand side it's a page around Prism. What is Prism? Now there are multiple things you can do here. There is a diagram too. Let me try it asking a few things. Add a paragraph around the importance of this research. Let's see what it does. There's a single page research paper it is adding. It's thinking GPT 5.2, my friends. Inserted a new paragraph. As you can see, it is now able to add it. Let me click on keep. And yes, it is here. Let me compile. It should reflect here too, I assume. I think this is the research is important because scientific progress depends on clear, correct, and reproducible communication. It is able to add a new paper. Let me add a few more things. Add equation E equals to mc square and explain how it is relevant to the paper itself. Make some story. This is very interesting to hear. Let's see. It's thinking now. It is able to take up the equation too. I'm getting the content of the file main.txt. It is first of all reading the paper itself to understand where to add the equation. Very interesting place. Added an E equals to MC square display equation plus a short narrative explaining why it is important. This is crazy, my friends. This is crazy. You need to approve the add-ons that has been added. Let me compile again. And yes, it is able to add this. A simple example is the most famous equation in modern physics. You can see that it is making live edits to the paper also. You can download the paper from here, full screen, open a new window, and what not looks to be a very cool tool. You can start a new chat, upload files, summarize. You can add more things here. This is very interesting, as you can see. You can also share the project. If you click here, you can provide link to this particular paper or only invite invited users to. That means your co-authors can come in. A very interesting tool that the team has added. What are the other tools present here? Raw logs. Logs are coming here. Project info, comments. Very interesting. I think the era of AI writing is coming very fast now. I think people are writing these blogs, but now I think they are also able to write latex equations and papers also. I think the automation of paper is just amazing. You can add images. There's a voice mode too. Speak your edits and watch your latex document update in real time. This is very interesting. I think a very cool tool that OpenAI has released for free. Do try it out. It is available for free. I've provided the link in the comment section below. I've added an equation, added a paragraph too, and yes, this looks crazy. Thank you so much.